Hey folks, another preview of some of the upcoming features that are going to be in version 7 of the SAR Assist software coming soon. In this case, we're going to look at member qualifications. There's been a significant update there. So we'll open up our saved members here. So we've got a few in here, and on any given member, we can now have a much more robust collection of qualifications, capturing higher levels of first aid and individual levels within things like rope rescue and swift water and whatnot, as well as canine and hoist, off-road vehicle, marine boat operator. Hopefully, this is a much more useful set of qualifications for building your teams for your team assignments. So any individual member, you can go in and add whatever qualifications they may have. You can also use the enhanced import function. So importing members, for example, when you browse to the export from D4H, you can map every individual column to a piece of data. This will let you import from other sources besides sort of the bog standard D4H used by BC-SAR teams. Similarly, you can import qualifications, and again, browse to a file. It's going to assume that the individual's name is somewhere in the row, but otherwise you can specify which columns have which data to map your qualifications. So once you've got all that in, we've got our members there. You can also capture it during check-in. So as a person checks in, now you're going to see this new screen asking if it's a saved or a new person. If it's a new person, again, new person, capture all this other information, and then here for qualifications, indicate what they are qualified to do. Save that person for later, sure. So I'm going to check in the other members, some of the other members we've got saved here. So those are the two from Campbell River. And then I'll check in the non-search and rescue member as well. So there we've got 4 people in our list. We can take this list now and filter it for people who have, for example, our search managers or team leaders. But we want team leaders who are also rope rescue team leaders. Or we want people who are either GSAR or rope rescue team leader. So that gets people who have any of the following qualifications. You'll find that really handy for multi-level qualifications. For example, if you wanted all the trackers, so you can get the people who are track aware, well, that's just Jim. But if you switch to any of the following qualifications, you could also add in tracker and advanced tracker, and that's going to capture everybody who has any of those qualifications. That's the best way to capture those multi-tier qualifications. You'll see that filter there. You'll also see it on the operations dashboard as well, filtered by qualifications here, so we can look at just the SAR managers in our list there. Hopefully you find that useful. The other place it comes in handy is when you are building one of your teams. For example, if we are doing a Swiftwater assignment, we can go here, filter by assignment type, and we can see that only Jim Jimerson has that qualification appropriate to being on the team. So that's the other place that'll come up. Yeah, hopefully everyone finds that handy. Again, there's lots of changes coming in this new version, and I look forward to showing them all to you soon. So keep checking out the YouTube channel. There'll be new videos every now and again with new features.